Welcome gamers! Today, we're diving into how to change your PSN name for free in 2025. Let's make your gaming identity shine. First, head to your PS4 or PS5 settings. Navigate to Account Management and find the Profile section. Now, select Edit Profile and look for the option to change your online ID. Click it. Think carefully about your new name. It should reflect your style. Remember, it can't be too similar to an existing ID. Once ready, type in your new online ID. Confirm your choice and face the fun challenge of waiting for the change to complete. And that's it. Enjoy your new PSN name and stand out in the gaming community. Happy gaming! Remember, you can change your PSN name for free only once, so make it count. Don't rush the process. Some games may not support name changes. Consider checking game compatibility on the PlayStation website. Always note your previous names. It helps if you encounter any issues. Stay connected with your friends. Lastly, share your experience. Join gaming communities and let others know about your new PSN identity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Happy gaming! See you in the game world with your fresh PSN name. Game on!